तो मैं आप सभी का अपने RAS केमिस्ट्री मस्ती चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज का टॉपिक हमारा क्लास 12th के लिए, नीट के लिए और जेई के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। इस चैनल पर ओनली CBSE बोर्ड पढ़ाया जाता है और मेरे दूसरा चैनल है RSL केमिस्ट्री मस्ती, उस पर यूपी बोर्ड पढ़ाया जाता है। तो देखते हैं क्या टॉपिक है। बाई ल्यूकास टेस्ट। By Lucas test. This is method by primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol distinguishing very best method in presence Lucas reagent then different alkyl different alkyl compound preparation. Okay. First, tertiary alcohol. Okay. Tertiary alcohol formula CH3 carbon atom to directly attach CH3 carbon atom to directly attach CH3OH with reaction HCl dry zinc chloride then OH negative H positive directly combination compound preparations water H2O and carbon CH3 okay. Carbon valence less to directly complete attack carbon atom to directly add chlorines is called dirty alkyl chloride. Everyone reaction temperature by denote short form note everyone. Reaction, room temperature. Temperature by denote short form T. Room temperature 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, is called tertiary alcohol. Is called hydrochloric acid. Okay, just screenshot. Next, secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol definitions. Carbon to directly attach CH3 group. Carbon to directly attach CH3 group and OH. OH himself in present relation negative ions with reactions HCl in presence dry zinc chloride Cl2. Okay. Hydrogen himself in present relation positive ions and preparation compound waters. Then carbon atom less quantity valency chlorine complete. Chlorine chlorine by complete carbon atom valency. Then preparation compound CH3 and H and Cl with another compound waters is called dirty alkyl chloride. Dirty alkyl chloride and water. Okay, and secondary alcohol and secondary alcohol and hydrochloric acid. This is chemical reaction 5 to 10 minutes. Room temperatures. Room temperature. Next, first alcohol. First alcohol, primary alcohol. Then, primary alcohol or single bond CH2OH or use your mind desire CH3. Okay, same conditions HCl presence dry zinc chloride H positive OH negative, then preparation waters and compound preparations CH3 CH2 Cl and water. Do not dirty alkyl chloride. Do not dirty alkyl chloride. Only alkyl chloride. alkyl chloride and waters and primary alcohol and hydrochloric acid. Okay, any doubt? Screenshot. This is method very most important. If lectures good, then please like, subscribe and shares himself, friend and WhatsApps and Facebook and Instagrams. Method Victor Mayer. Next method Victor Mayer. Victor method. Victor Mayer method. Victor Mayer method is very simple. This is method primary alcohol to transfer alkyl halide to transfer nitroparaffin to transfer different compound in presence sodium hydroxide and ethers, then preparation different colors called Victor Mayer method. Okay, just primary alcohol. Primary alcohol general formula are single bond CH2OH. Okay, with reaction halogen iodide himself in presentation positive and negative to directly combination preparation compound water H2O just or single bond CH2I or single bond HI is called alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide. Again reaction silver nitrous NO2. Negative and positive and negative. Then silver with reaction iodide. Okay. Then AgI silver iodide. Next C R H NO2. Okay. It's called nitroparaffin. Nitroparaffin with reaction again. Nitrous acid. Nitrous acid HONO. Nitrous acid HNO2. Nitrous acid. Oxygen negative. Hydrogen positive. Then preparation waters. Next NOH. R single bond C, R single bond C, NOH, NO2, double bond. Carbon atom himself in present nation valency force. Okay, is called nitric acid. Nitric acid. Again, reaction sodium hydroxide in presence and ether diether. Then preparation red colors. Okay. Primary alcohol is called hydroiodine. Is called silver nitrous.